Welcome to the Baby Cubby. Today we are going over the brand new Baby Jogger City Turn. Let's get started. The Baby Jogger City Turn convertible car seat offers everything you've been looking for in a car seat. It not only looks great, it has incredible safety features and it's super easy to install. Now let's go over some of its amazing features. With its innovative patented rotation, you can turn the seat 180 degrees with just one hand, making it easier for you to get your child in and out. This also allows you to bring your child 10 inches closer to you when rotated. This makes it super easy to buckle your child in and lift them in and out of the seat. This is a convertible car seat, meaning it can be rear-facing and forward-facing. Your child will sit rear-facing from 4 to 50 pounds and forward-facing from 22 to 65 pounds. It also features a 10-position headrest and a 5-position recline for ultimate comfort for your growing little one. The seat itself is made with a steel-reinforced frame and energy-absorbing foam. It also comes with removable infant inserts and buckle covers for added comfort and support. The City Turn's material is a soft, lightweight fabric featuring Cool Max moisture-wicking material to help keep your child cool and comfortable. These materials are machine washable or can be easily cleaned by hand. This car seat is also tested with TrueTest Plus safety standards to help protect your child in the event of a collision. Now we will go over the installation process, starting with rear-facing. The first method for rear-facing installation is with the seat belt. To begin, first flip the recline positioner to the rear-facing position. Then place the car seat snug against the seat of the vehicle. Make sure the seat is leveled correctly. You will be able to tell if the seat is leveled by viewing the dual bubble level indicators on the side. Once you're finished with that step, you will then rotate the car seat to reveal the belt path. Lift the rapid lock and feed the seatbelt through the belt path. Click into place and close the rapid lock. When in rear-facing mode, the car seat audibly clicks when locked. Pull out all of your slack and then swivel the seat back into place. The second method for rear-facing installation is with the latch system. To begin, pull the lower anchors from the front compartment. Rotate the seat and lift the rapid lock. Place the lower anchors into the belt path and click them into the seat anchors. Pull the remaining slack to assure the seat is snug and then push down on the rapid lock. Check the installation and swivel the seat back into place. We will now go over the installation process for forward-facing. To begin, make sure the recline positioner is in the forward-facing position. You will then place the car seat up against the seat of the vehicle. Unhook the tether tension and attach it to the tether anchor on the back of your vehicle seat. Then you will heighten the headrest according to your child's height. Open up the fabric to reveal the rapid lock and lift it open. Feed the seatbelt through the belt path behind the car seat itself and click it into place. Pull out all the slack and close the rapid lock. Check the installation and you are all set. That wraps up our demo of the new Baby Jogger City Turn. To watch another car seat review, check out this video. Make sure to like and subscribe and comment down below to let us know what you want to see next. We'll see you next time.